Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating a clean CSV file with consistent headers and one contact per row. Use name, phone, email, company. Once done, make sure your phone's contacts, sync, and permissions are enabled so imports stick to your account. If you prefer not to edit on the phone, open Google Contacts on desktop to import the CSV. Otherwise, install a reliable CSV to vCard converter app. This avoids duplicates and preserves formatting when you move to the next step. Now convert the CSV to a vCard. VCF, if your phone needs it. Many converter apps or Google Contacts export will produce a VCF. Then transfer that VCF to your device using USB, AirDrop, email, or cloud storage. Pick the fastest method for you. When you open the VCF on the phone, you'll be prompted to import. Choose the intended account, work, personal, or phone storage. This step maps fields and adds many contacts at once without manual entry. Finish by reviewing the imported contacts. Merge duplicates, assign groups or labels, and confirm phone numbers and emails look correct. Once satisfied, force a resync to your backup account like Google or iCloud so you have a restore point. If some entries failed or appear garbled, open the original CSV, standardize headers and phone formats, include country codes, reconvert to vCard, and re-import. That usually fixes mapping errors and prevents duplicate partial records.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.